What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction. Yeah man gang, you see what we are doing today. Yeah man, we're back in the music club today and we got none other than the war about himself. You see me, the bad guy himself. You see me, and so we're there with none other than Fully Bad. You don't know, Fully Bad done paid his dues in dancehall by nicing up the culture. So they are react to and they are look out for anything Fully Bad drop. You see me, I said dog paid his dues. That make it. You see me, I name our boss and everything. So entire dab drop we're gonna be checking out and see what dog gonna deal with it. You see me, I say. So today we reacting to Fully Bad's new track, the one that entitled Visionary. Check it out and see what dog gonna deal with it. You see me, when I'm going to vibe, let's jump right into it. Fully Bad, Visionary, let's get it.
King Barka. Krazy. Krazy done.
How this? Fully Bad, how this? Oh, I'm on Krazy featuring Krazy and King Barka, okay.
Yo, so outside. Fully Bad, you know. Uptown.
Easy bad artist, Fully Bad, we're there for the hey!
Good. Krazy done. Yeah, with Jim bodies already. Yeah, with Jim bodies already.
What you know what I mean, man?
And the key for the beam already.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Talk to them.
And the whole team rich already. Yeah, with Jim bodies already.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Jim bodies already.
Oh, this is bad. I'm liking the hook of this. It's Fully Bad, smooth on the chat, bro. I don't think we hear him like a sing so far like that.
And the key for the beam already.
Yeah.
Craziest, young visionary. A big life man dream bout.
That's facts. Come here.
Big Benz the beach house. Fully Bad, craziest. You know see the whole team out. Outside.
Damn right. Yeah, man. Good man, I dream out. Theo the the beach house. Hey.
Y'all fall fi we cause we me shout. Now the thing happen fi we. And them not happy fi we. Actually we have them y'all give we stop it up if the
you know what I mean? Y'all love it cause we me short, bro. Everything happen for we. And then happy for we. How are going? By these own stuff man and thing not work. Hey.
Yeah, come me wrist. Papa buckle for this. Give them a darkest glass and them a festival. You Jim bodies are ready. Yeah, with Jim bodies are ready.
Bop. I'm loving it.
And the key for the beam already.
Yeah.
And the whole team rich already.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Jim bodies already.
Yeah, man. A long time I dream about this and put in work. Come to them.
Yeah, with Jim bodies already. And the key for the beam
me a pen.
already.
Yeah, man, say me a pen. You got me a pen. To them.
Yes, young visionary. Hold on, some of them know about fate. Powerful. Park up his gate and my gate. Pray Father God pave the way.
What you mean?
See it then now.
They know about fate, bro. I park up his skater with gate, brother. To them, they don't know nothing about fate.
Now the real I hear my name. Tell me say gatekeeper, send me now pay. Come on, money and food for my plate.
Yeah.
Money move Fully Bad job.
Yeah, man, that's a foot type. This right there, so tell gatekeeper. Say we now wait, one food pan we plate. I want to my yard. Move up.
Some mark rich kid on the explain. Yeah, man, see the Fully bad. And from small me I do this here.
Yeah.
My poverty on the bullet here. Anyway me see your head up.
Fully Bad, I give some other artists shine too, you know. Hey, it's a good look. Alright, I say my use him theme thing. Theme energy and theme look of fame and help some other artists. Good, love to see.
Dance and a coming out. Crazy, yes, the one bang of this. Rich with one bag of back of this. Bad gang strap with one bag of clip. She says she love oh bad man I live.
Bad gang. Okay, that's a dark thing. Big up Bad gang. Big up Fully Bad. You see me, man? Yeah, that wanna make it out, you know. You
know Jim bodies are ready. Yeah, with Jim bodies are ready. Believe. And the key for the beam already.
Yeah.
And the whole team rich already.
Rich out. Yeah, man. Rich out, man. Me out, man.
Yeah, with Jim bodies are ready. Yeah, with Jim bodies are ready.
Yeah. And money dog having a micro. Money in a microwave. Big food I warm up.
Craziest young visionary.
Yeah.
Code is life.
Visionary. I mean, hey, Fully Bad. Fully Bad. I don't want to do to this. Please don't feel like I'm nitpicking my G, but whosoever you had edited video, they cannot spell. They spell visionary as versionary. I don't know what the hell they're.
Visionary.
Look at this big song version, bro. You can't spell. You can't spell check. If you fuck with man video, this can't come down, you know. It's on YouTube already, you know. Jaja.
Code is life and code.
Let's say visionary with style. You see me? I say Gida, I'm black man.
But man, I can't believe you hear that.
Yeah man, what you mean? Craziest King Barka. Yeah man, fully body did your thing. I like this bro. This going on the playlist, bro. Yeah, Jimbo is already. Yeah, no, it's already. Off tier man. Yeah man. Big up fully bad. I love this one. Yeah man. It's probably one of my favorite songs so far from Fully. It's probably my favorite song from Fully Bad. Okay. The class tune them bad and the other tune them the other bad. But I just like the more inspirational, going for my dreams, achieving my dreams type song. I always love those shit. You know what I'm saying? I tell you get to go to them office strive for and to keep them meds and keep them motivated. I always like seeing stuff like this. You see me? I say gang, yeah man. So this is definitely one of my favorite Fully Bad tunes so far that he's dropped. You see me? Yeah man. So people don't think about it one day. If I like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support, making us a Jambisco dance. Say no. I don't know what time it is. Yeah man, let me know what your favorite part was, gang. Was beat, melody, lyrics? Who you think took the beat? Was it Fully Bad? Was it Krazy S? Was it King Barka? You see me? I say, is this getting added to your playlist? It's getting added to my playlist. This one of the best it's one of the best songs he's dropped since I've been listening to Fully Bad. So this definitely getting added to the playlist, and I like this type of song. The other one, what was the other one that I actually like? Was that one also called Gatekeeper? Was that one called Gatekeeper as well? And drop a bad one of there I like too, you know. So I don't know which one I like more. So I'm gonna try to see. Let me see what I go on. Let me see what I go on Fully Bad. You drop another one, the other one there with him brother. Man in brother up on the corner there. I like that one too. You see me? What's that Gatekeeper? What was that called? Trying to remember it off the top of my head. Faith and Prayers. I like that one. No, I'll talk about the fight. The fight. I like the fight. And also, Nalon was a diss track. But yeah, the fight. The fight. Yeah. I like that one. That was the one with him and brother. But you drop another video the other day. Faith and Prayers. I didn't even check that one out. I need to check that one out next, gang. You see me? I say, but yeah, man. Shout out to Fully Bad. Enjoy new music, bro. I'm liking those motivational tracks that you be dropping, like keep your head on your body type shit, go for your dreams type shit. I like that. You see me, the motivated tracks, I like that. You see me, I say, and I like how smooth he was on the track, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can't sing. You're showing off you've been showing off your DJ talents, but then you're showing off your singing talents. And I always been saying, you're good at singing. That's what I've been saying. When you DJ, you sound so smooth. Like you sound so smooth. Sometimes people miss your punchlines, bro. Like for real, when you're a DJ. That's why a lot of your bad tune them people don't really get them, cause some of the punchlines them you're so smooth with it. It's not like you just say it like, you know, when somebody says something simple but it's not simple. Yeah. But yeah man, gang, big up yourself Fully Bad. Keep doing your thing, dog. Very talented artist. Shoot for the stars, bro. You see me? Your time come, bro. Your time come. Your time there. And you have to take advantage and make it more sight. And we'll see what go on. If you're there on 10, 20 years time now, I think you have the talent for do it. I think you can. So we're there, follow and I keep up track. You see me? I say. Well, yeah, man, gang, I don't know anything about that one day. You see me, if I like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support, making us a Jambisco dance. Send you, drop your favorite part of the track, who took the track in the comment section. Let's talk about it, let's chop it up. Also, join the Discord, link in the description. Join the Discord, become one of the family, gang. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.